Hello everybody, here is Michal Stanikowski and today I will show you a few of the best stretches for your fingers, hands and wrists. Performing warm-up and cool-down stretching is important following any physical activity, and practicing instrument is no different. A good stretching warm-up will make you feel relaxed. A great cool-down stretching will initiate your body's healing process and help to prevent injury in your future. So let's go! All stretches should be performed to a mild to moderate level intensity. Perform each stretch to the point of mild discomfort and no further. Stretches should not hurt. If a stretch causes pain, do not continue and consult your doctor or other healthcare professional. So let's start. You can do this stretch while sitting or standing. We are starting with prayer position stretch. Simply press the palms of your hands together in a prayer position. Your elbows should be pointing straight out to the sides. Now lower your hands down to about waist height and hold for about 20 seconds. You can repeat it a few times. And relaxed. Try to do a few repetitions and wait till 20 seconds. Now we are going with palm up. Reach your right hand out in front of you with your palm facing out and fingers pointing up, like you are signaling someone to stop. Very gently pull your fingers toward you with your left hand so that your right hand is bending back. Hold for about 15 seconds and then repeat with the left hand. Perform on both sides. Hold it and then relaxed. You can change, of course, the hand and keep for 15 seconds. And relaxed. Now we are going with palm down. Reach your right hand out in front of you, wrist bent so that your palm is facing towards you and your fingers are pointing down. Use your left hand to gently press your right fingers and hand toward you. Hold for about 15 seconds and then repeat with the left hand. Of course, the other hand also. Note that you can also do this one with your palm facing out away from you by rotating your arm upward. Just choose the way that feels best, like this. Changing and rotating the hand and practicing. With the right hand with 50 seconds and relaxing, and then of course with the left hand. Now interlace your fingers like this and stretch your arms out with your palms facing away from you. Hold for about 15 seconds and repeat. Not only does this exercise stretch your hands and forearms, but it also improves your circulation. So keep it. You can go up, also very high and relaxed. Repeat a few times. The last one for today is a great exercise to strengthen the muscle in your hands. So rub your hand with your other hand or use this kind of stretch band and take your stretch band around your hand and spread your fingers out to the sides and bring them back together. Repeat it for 10 reps and then switch the hands. So taking your stretch band and spreading the fingers and repeating 1, 2, 3, till 10. You can do it also without stretch band, only putting your hand on your other hand and doing the same 10 repetitions. Any workout where your hands are bearing weight will also be great to strengthen your hands and your wrist. If you have any previous wrist injuries, it's wise to check with your doctor to confirm whether they are safe to do. These muscles are small, so be gentle with whatever stretches you do. If you want to know how to prepare the whole body before practicing, you can check my video. It's somewhere here. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you will take care about your hands before and after practicing, and this will improve your daily work. If you have any questions or maybe you are interested in deepening this topic, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned and stay totally guitarized with me, and I hope see you next time.